Welcome back. Early last year, we signed up for a local market, like a craft fair sort of thing, and we had a table, some prints, and low expectations. Maybe you've seen the video.
We were hoping to just break even.
We were praying to break even. I mean, we'd spent money on filament, the table fee, packaging.
We did the math in the car on the way there.
And if we sell 7 things, we won't lose money. 7 things, that's the bar.
We sold so much.
Like, not 7 things, a ton. Like, people are coming back to buy things and we don't have any left sort of stuff.
We made many times more than we needed to break even.
And on the drive home, we just looked at each other like, wait, what?
And that was the moment.
That was the moment. And here's the thing. We didn't design a single thing on that table, not one. We found files online, printed them well, and people wanted them. So today we're talking about how that's actually a whole business. If you watch 3D printing on YouTube, and we do a lot, it's a lot of engineers.
People designing custom mechanical parts, things that require actual engineering skills.
And that's awesome, genuinely. Those channels are incredible. But when we started, we looked at all that and thought,
We can't do any of that.
so I guess we can't do this?
Turns out that's like saying you can't open a restaurant because you're not a farmer.
It's actually a really good analogy.
Thanks. I've been saving it.
Okay, so here's the part nobody talks about on YouTube. This is just fun.
It's really fun.
Like, we get off work and check on prints. We get excited when something comes off the bed clean. We argue about filament colors.
I wouldn't say that we argue. We just have different tastes sometimes.
So there's this whole culture of hustle, optimize, and scale. And sure, but also, like, we just like making stuff.
And the fact that it pays for itself is a bonus.
A very nice bonus. The printers will pay for themselves, the filament pays for itself. We're probably not getting rich off of this, but it funds the entire hobby, and then some.
Which means we get to keep doing it.
Which means we get to keep doing it. That's the real pitch, not get rich printing, just this is fun and it doesn't cost you money. So, if we're not designing, where do we get files? Short version, the internet is full of incredibly talented designers who share their work.
Printables, Thingiverse, there's a bunch of others. Some are free, some paid, a lot of them with commercial licenses, meaning that you can sell their prints.
We're doing a full walkthrough of all the sources in an upcoming video, but the point is, the designs exist. Thousands of them. You don't have to make them. People ask, if you're not designing, what are you actually doing?
A lot, actually.
So last week, I downloaded this file and it looked amazing in the render, gorgeous. And I printed it and it was
Garbage.
total garbage. Supports everywhere, bridging failed, the whole thing looked like a melted candle. So we tried a different file with the same kind of thing, tweaked the settings, printed it twice before we got one we were happy with.
And that's the job. Finding the good ones in a sea of bad ones. Getting the right print and making it look like something that people actually want to buy.
And then there's the incredibly glamorous work of packaging and shipping.
So glamorous.
So glamorous. Now, can we do anything in CAD? I'm gonna show you something. This is real, don't laugh.
I'm already laughing.
This is a cat water bowl holder I made in Tinkercad.
It's a circle with a hole in it.
It's a circle with a hole in it, and it works. The cat's bowl fits in there and doesn't slide around anymore, and I'm proud of it.
You should be. It took you, what, 4 hours?
3, and honestly, that's our CAD skill level. We can combine shapes, we can make holes, we can add text to things. We are not designing articulated dragons.
Not yet.
Nah, no. The cat bowl is the most complex thing we designed, and we run a business. These two things can coexist.
It's true. Here's what we figured out. People buying 3D prints online don't care who designed the file.
Not once has a customer asked, did you design this?
They ask, can I get it in blue?
They ask, can I ship it by Friday?
They care that it looks good, shows up on time, and it doesn't look like a printer sneezed it out.
And that last part, that's the skill. Not designing, but printing well, and finishing it well, and making it look like a product and not a project.
Anyone can download a file. Not everyone takes the time to dial in settings, clean up supports, sand the rough edges, package it nicely.
That's the value. The prints aren't ours, but the quality is. So if you've been watching 3D printing content thinking, I can't do that because I can't design.
Stop.
I showed you my cat bowl, the bar is low, and we're having a great time down here.
The designs are out there. Your job is to print them well and to treat people well.
That's it. That's the whole secret.
Coming up on this channel, exactly where we find all of our prints and how commercial licenses work and what actually sells.
Subscribe if you want to follow along. We're figuring this out as we go.
Very much as we go.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye. Hi, elephant. Sweet elephant.
Pays for itself. We probably not getting rich. We probably not. Shit.